So we're in Clovis, California, and we just finished setting in a toilet here. This is straight out of Home Depot. It's the Kohler Highline Arc. It's one of their newer product lines from Kohler. We prefer Kohler when we set toilets. We don't buy Glacier Bay or Aquasource or anything like that. So what we've got is toilet is set, and then additionally, the flange that was on the floor was a combination plastic and steel flange, and it was up pretty high. We did test mount it first before we put wax in there, and it seemed to sit, but it's up so high. What happens when the flange on the floor sits up high, it tends to squish out all the wax, which seals, and so that could be problematic. But we did get some shims around this side, several shims here to hold it up, just a few gaps. Everything else sat pretty good to the floor. We noticed when we dry fitted, it did rock pretty substantially. Once we got it bolted down, it stiffened up, and like I say, you can see some shims poking through right there. They're hard plastic shims just to support downward movement. Outside of that, the toilet is excellent product, but it's not a rocking chair, it's not a lounge chair, it's not something to stand on and work on, stuff up on the ceiling, the lights or the HVAC, anything like that. It's a toilet, so be gentle with it. All of this, it will break easily, and it's bolted together. It's China with brass bolts, and so if you torque it too hard, it's going to crack. So when we got here, the old toilet was cracked here at the bowl all the way across the base. So new toilet installed. Additionally, you already had a quarter turn shutoff valve installed, which is good. That's your valve. This is our new supply line. Whenever we put a new toilet in, we give you a new supply line just to make sure that everything's good. So that's brand new. The toilet is filling correctly, shutting off correctly, and flushing correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.